First time mo maging part ng ganitong klaseng negosyo. At di mo maintindihan, bakit pinupush ka ni Upline kumuha ng multiple accounts? Well, I should say, maswerte ka sa Upline mo. And be thankful that is pushing you dahil alam niya na ikaw din ang magbe-benefit in the long run. In a binary compensation plan like SalveoWorld, ang pagkuha ng multiple accounts ay napakaraming advantages. Kung nagsisimula ka pa lang, ang best structure sa'yo ay perfect structure. Pwede kang pumili sa mga yan, pero nakaka-confuse, diba? So later on, at the end of this video, I will give you tips kung alin dyan ang best for you. So, ang question mo lang naman ay, kung kukuha ako ng multiple accounts, does that mean bibili ako ulit ng membership packages? The answer is yes. Well, this is a business. So normally, people really invest in business nila during startup, right? The more investment they make, the bigger the income potential. Now, you're thinking, that's a lot of capital, so you are now worried about your risk. Although this is a type of business, let me tell you that this is actually not a money investment, where there's a lot of risk involved. Yung tipong naglabas ka na ng money at di mo alam kung kikita or babalik pa yon. Nope, it's not that kind of investment. Nakakatakot nga naman mga ganong klaseng kumpanya. But here in SalveoWorld, you are literally just buying more products. That's right. Meaning, may kapalit ang puhunan mo. Products you can actually sell and has real market value. Meaning, mabibenta mo sila at retail price dahil high quality at hindi overpriced ang products ni SalveoWorld. Di rin ito digital products na di mo naman mabibenta gaya ng iba na pag di nag-work ang business, talo ka na. So, no need to worry because the best thing about this business is wala kang talo, mag-work man a network business or not. Why? Here in SalveoWorld, you get your money's worth. And if you opt to sell the products, you will get your money back in no time. If you don't like to sell, gamitin mo na lang ang product para ma-experience mo how amazing Salveo products can do to our body. And now that is settled, are you ready? Let us start by comparing a single account income with a 3-account income. To illustrate simply, say after doing the business for several months, meron ka ng 100 people on the left and 100 people on your right. And let's say that's your binary account on top. Now, let's compute magkano na ang total matching bonus na kinita mo base illustration na yan if you have a single binary account. Let us assume na lahat ng yan platinum accounts to simplify our computation. 100 left and 100 right is equal to 100 match BC or points times 1,000 per pair, that is equal to 100,000 accumulated matching bonus. Now, let us say you decided right now na kumuha ng 3 accounts lang muna. Let's see if this 100,000 income will increase. Now you have 3 accounts. Top account, which we will now call U1, still has 100 left and 100 right. Nothing changed. But let's divide this to the 2 additional accounts you have. So let's call this U2. Has 50 left and 50 right. And U3 has also 50 left and 50 right. Total pa rin yan ay 100 left and 100 right. So we did not change the number of people, which means most likely same amount of effort lang yan. Now, let us compute your earnings. U1 has 100 left and 100 right, equals 100,000. Same income gaya ng computation natin earlier, but this time, you have U2 and U3. U2 has 50 left and 50 right. 50 pairs times 1,000 per pair equals 50,000. U3, same, 50 left and 50 right. 50 pairs or 50,000. Total accumulated matching bonus is 200,000 pesos. So yes, your income is doubled with the same number of people and same amount of effort. Now, you're seeing the difference, right? Kitang-kita. 100,000 pesos ba naman ang difference? So this means, kapag dumami pa ang tao mo in the long run, say, after years of doing this business, and you have thousands of downlines, na mas lalo pang lalaki yan. Eh, paano naman kung 7 accounts ka? Let us use same numbers then, and see how much you're going to earn. So, let us distribute the people like this. Again, for illustration purposes. So, dahil nag-add tayo ng 4 accounts below, we will divide the people. So, you 4, 5, 6, and 7 will have 25 left and 25 right. Kapag tinotal mo yan, 25 plus 25 plus 25 plus 25, that's still a total of 100 left and 100 right. So, now, time to reveal how much you will earn from 7 accounts. You won? Same income. 100 pairs, so 100,000 pesos. You two? Same, 50 left and 50 right. Equals 50 pairs or 50,000 pesos. You three? Same, 50 pairs, that's 50,000 pesos. You 4, 25 left and 25 right equals 25,000 pesos. You 5, same, 25 left and 25 right equals 25,000 pesos. You 6, same, 25,000 pesos. And you 7, same 25 pairs or 25,000 pesos. Total income mo from the 7 accounts, 300,000 pesos. Wow! Your income tripled with the same number of people with the same amount of effort. Nadagdag sa supposedly 100,000 income mo ay 200,000 pesos dahil lang nag-7 accounts ka. Amazing, right? That's the power of having multiple accounts in binary. That's why binary is the most powerful type of compensation plan sa MLM industry. Now imagine how much you can earn from 15 accounts and lalo na from 31 accounts. Kaya siguro, nagtataka ka why there are some people na ganun karami bumili na accounts because it has multiplier effect. And the experienced binarians would take the risk kasi they know that's the key to really maximize the income potential. It is the way to become one of the millionaires in the industry. So let's go to the Q&A part. Question. Pwede ba akong kumuha ng account after ko na lang kumita? Pwede naman. Pero, pakita ko sa'yo kung anong mangyayari when you do that. You get 1 account today, then of course, invite ka na. So, let's say, ganito na structure mo. You have 5 left and 3 right. After a few weeks, bumili ka ng 2nd and 3rd account. Saan mo ilalagay ito sa tingin mo? Tama ka, sa baba na nila. It's either sa baba nito or sa baba nito. This means na magiging downline ka ng downline mo. At yung i-create na group nito ay hindi napapasok sa 2nd or 3rd account mo. Dahil sa binary, once filled out na yung position, hindi na pwedeng balikan at lalong hindi na pwede sumingit. Pero pwede naman yung structure na yan if you prefer to add later on. But I don't recommend it. Another question. Pwede ba akong kumuha ng platinum yung top 10 gold yung remaining accounts? Yes, that's a very good strategy if kulang ka pa sa budget. You can do that. Then upgrade ka na lang later on. So, let's say, gusto mo 7 accounts top platinum, then 6 accounts gold. This way, you can still get 30% discount at the same time, but reserve mo yung slots na account mo. Another question. What if gusto ko ng multiple accounts, pero hindi pa talaga kaya ng budget? Here's my advice. First, determine how many accounts ang gusto mong buuin. 31 ba? 15 ba? If beginner ka pa lang, the best is 7 accounts. But if kulang pa ang budget mo, you can start with 4 accounts muna. You can buy this side first and leave the other side open for additional accounts. Then, of course, huwag ka mag-place ng downline sa right side. Always place it sa left side. And i-balance mo muna yung accounts mo sa baba. In the future, just in case maging stable na ang income mo, you can open new lines sa kabila, and I'm sure by that time, ang galing mo na sa structuring at sa pag-maintain ng binary network mo. But then again, the most ideal for a beginner is 7 accounts. If you plan on doing SalveoWorld long term and would like to buy your dreams by doing this business, I suggest you go for multiple accounts. It's a must. Now is the time to position your accounts best habang di pa filled in ang spots. Seryosohin mo to dahil di lang extra income ang pwedeng ibigay ni SalveoWorld, kundi extraordinary income and extraordinary lifestyle. Thank you for watching and have a great day.